Come on then. Welcome to part 2 of the video. It's very early in the morning and people are still sheep-born. How did you sheep?
Quite well, considering we were in the middle of a field.
She did really well for someone that's never camped before. I did pretty good as well. I'm not complaining. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next clip where hopefully people will be a bit more awake. Like Alana. Still sheep-born.
Good night.
She says good night. You alright guys, we're just here in Ringwood. I'm trying not to cut Alana's head off. But yeah, we just had, Alana's just had the most amazing strawberry thick shake. Yeah. I've just had a really good coffee. That's coffee number 3 of the day. Victoria Sponge.
But it's only like 9:30.
You enjoyed the Vicky Sponge,
Yeah,
didn't you?
that was really good cake.
Yeah, she saw the Vicky Sponge, she's like, I need Vicky Sponge in my life. And it's what, 9 o'clock or something?
9:30.
Yeah, 9:30. So yeah, we're doing well. Yeah, on to the next bit.
We're off to Bournemouth now, and hopefully by the time we get there it won't be raining anymore.
Fingers crossed.
This is typical British summer, this is, isn't it?
Yeah,
but
we're hoping it's passing showers.
fingers crossed, but let's see how it goes.
See you in Bournemouth. Temperature of the water?
17 degrees.
Oh. Are you going for a paddle?
No.
Goodbye! Goodbye! Hey push! Hey rush!
Like a dog.
Rough! Holiday update number 155. I've got absolutely no idea where we're going now. You see, when we could do these trips,
Oh, there's a
Alana.
cafe there called Mum's Cafe.
Oh, there you go. Look,
That's cute.
I'll show you that before I continue on.
It's when it's actually the dad that runs it.
That'll be kind of funny.
Would be ironic.
Or their name's just Mum, and it's short for Mama Tisha.
Or they're like, in what do you call it, initials.
Yes. Michelle. What's a name begin with U? Utisha?
Yeah.
Utisha. Mahmood.
Yeah.
Mahmood. You see, when we go on holiday or trips away, Lana has this terrible habit of just saying, we're going to go somewhere, we're just going to
I
drive.
just pinpoint on Google Maps and we go there.
Yeah, so I have no idea where we're going to end up. I feel like I'm getting held hostage. This is against my will. I'm really not enjoying it. Please send help. Love you all. Goodbye. Hopefully see you in the next clip, unless she's killed me. Goodbye for now. Right, we've ventured into Mudeford. No idea where that is, but this is where we are, and we're just going to spend a little short peek here before heading into the New Forest. Peace out. We made it back to the campsite, and look, the tent and the windbreak and everything is still up. Well happy, no one's nicked the tent, the windbreak's not blown down. We don't know if it's flooded inside yet. It's all down.
There's not much water in the washing up bowl.
Said it can't be too wet because there's not much water in the washing up bowl, but it's all down to Alana setting up. Did she do a good job? Is it flooded? That was our little tour, by the way, of God knows where, everywhere. Alana took us on a wild wind adventure. We went through the New Forest, as you would have seen. So yeah, what's the verdict, Alana?
It's fine, it's all dry.
We're all fine. We did a good job, or it didn't rain that much here.
It did rain because there's water on the roof.
Oh, there's water on the roof, so.
Droplets.
All droplets, but it's dry inside. Winner, winner. Winner, winner. Do it. Goodbye for now. See you in the next clip. Alana said goodbye. Goodbye. We've got to be quiet now. Got to do adult. Nana's just trying to not push the button, push the button. I'm a fat man that looks like a giant seal. I got no neck. How many rolls? Anyone want any rolls?
Bread course,
just read
it's raining quite, like, not a lot, but
well, it's raining on and off. One minute it's raining, then it's not raining.
But when it's raining quite heavy, and we've just realised the downfall of a small tent in the rain because we're kind of laying sort of in the living room, bedroom. Our heads are in the bedroom on the beds, and then like we're a bit like, I'm not sure how to show you, but like this, which is fine for me because I'm short, but for Scott that's a bit more of a problem.
I was fine. Let me just put this. I was fine until Alana turned around and said, "Leaning on the edge."
I don't want him to pull the bedroom down. Why are you shouting?
So I've got to kind of lay really awkwardly, like not even half on the bed. So I'm kind of tilted, so I look like a big whale seal.
I think you look like a potato, but
camping life.
Loving that. Has to be done.
But yeah, it's raining on and off.
Yeah. Raining on the roof.
Look, it started again now, so we're just waiting for it to pass, and then Alana can have portion number 5, 6, 7 of chips.
Follow the raindrop.
You missed it.
I followed it by the way.
Alana, situation update.
It's a bit wet.
What's going on?
It's a bit wet and I've got to do the spatula.
Alana's got a spatula and she's attacking the tent with the spatula.
The water off to try and stop it being as wet.
Basically,
it's not working, but I feel better for it.
If you can hear us over the rain, it's quite rainy. The water's doing a little puddle in places, but we kind of expected that with this tent. It was said in the reviews, it's kind of coming through the seams, but to be fair,
only on the floor though, and only in this little living room.
Only in the floor. I mean, this back part accommodation bit is bone dry. There's not an issue. Yeah, there's no issues with that because we've got this inner fly sheet type thing. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that. That's the outside ground. We've got a ground sheet underneath, tarp thingy. Alana's attacking it with a spatula, doing an incredible job. I mean, without her, we'd be flooded.
What I'm doing.
Like this video for Alana's incredible job. She's worth how many likes?
15.
15. I would have gone 30, but she's going 15. So can we get 15 likes on this video to say that she's doing an amazing job? What?
There you go, sorted.
There you go, sorted, she says, as she flaps the water out. I mean, why didn't these flood defence people think of that?
Got Scott doing the camping cooking tonight.
I'm literally Ainsley Harrier.
He is. Well, I say camping cooking, he's cooking his second dinner.
Yes.
Or he's going to be. Oh, dear.
Just transferring the spoon to a suitable location to squidge.
Looks a suitable location. We've recovered from the rain. We've mopped up.
And nothing got soaked, nothing got damaged.
No, not this time. By the way, this angle's not very good because I am sitting down.
Yeah, you are.
We've got an all-day breakfast going on there.
No, I'm only having this because I really wanted to try it, and I'd be gutted if we went all this time and I didn't get a chance to try it. So tune in for part 2 to see how this works out. Literally 30 seconds later, we have a delight of a meal. Bish bash bosh.
What's with the boy? You're like you're not really Ainsley Harriet.
No, I'm better. Look at that. He couldn't rustle something up that
No,
good
he
in
couldn't.
30 seconds.
Go on then. Get it down. You go like.
It's red hot.
Blow it
I'll
then.
be like that TikTok blog. Addictive viewing.
Indoor voices.
The beans taste like beans.
It smells like a tin of sausage and beans.
The sausages taste like sausage and beans.
That's what it smells like.
Overall, do you know what? I wouldn't knock it if I had to live on it.
If you had to live on it.
If I was hiking in the middle of the Sahara desert,
Dessert.
desert,
That
and
sounds more like my kind of place.
this is all I had to eat,
Yeah.
I'd deal with this. I could deal with it. Yes. 10 tenths.
Try a bit more than just a sausage and bean. Or is that all that's in it?
Well, I've got this weird thing.
Yeah, what's that like? Do you think it's meant to be egg?
Might be egg.
What's it taste like?
I think it's meant to represent bacon in a weird way.
No.
It don't really taste of anything.
No. That's no bad thing.
It's just a texture-y thing.
Cool.
So yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're right, guys. Just a quick one. There's a tent over there. And there's a guy. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. You probably can't hear it. But he's singing away, playing the guitar. It sounds amazing. It just set in the right sort of atmosphere for the night. But yeah, I'm going to sign off for now because it's going to get dark soon. Hope you've enjoyed this series of videos. It's Alana's birthday tomorrow for us, but you probably would have already seen the video. Like, this can get really confusing because I'm hoping to release the Bewley video before all this lot, so the chances are you've seen the Bewley video before this little lot, because I'm going to probably do these two as separate videos, but they're going to come out afterwards because we've got quite a lot of content to come out. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Like, comment, subscribe, check out the Instagram, and yeah, just see what comes next. So yeah, until next time, see you in the next video, everyone. Good night.